Today I want to show you how to create a broadcast message list on your WhatsApp. So what is a broadcast message list? It's simply like many of us we used to know, bulk SMS. That is a means of reach sending messages to multiple people at the same time, right? So I noticed that many of us don't even understand or use it. Wow, it's actually not something you shouldn't be using. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to walk you through very quickly how to create it and how to use it, maybe with some few tips on how to use it effectively. Are you ready? All right, so let's get started with this down. So if you are using an iOS device, you're going to see it here, broadcast list. You can see, if you can't see it, just swipe fully down like this, it's going to appear. Can you see? So you simply click on broadcast list, then you come here and you click on new list. Can you see? So once you click on new list, you just come over here. It's going to ask you to add people. For me, I have labels that I've already created. So once I type this keyword phrase, I'm going to see people already that are related. So I'll just add them up. All together. Yeah, so these are probably, like, depending on the list you're looking for, you just add people based on maybe the category you want them to be in. Do you understand? So okay, so I'm just adding them up now. You can, so let me just stop with this 4. So once you have this 4, you just click on create. Now it's advisable that you come over here and give it a name. So for example, I'm going to say IPC prospect. By the way, never call your prospect to always call them people, because imagine me telling you you're my prospect, like, yeah, so it doesn't really make much sense like that. But you know, just keep it simple, keep it they are people. That's it. So this is your broadcast list. So right now, some very quick tips on how to use broadcast list that I see a lot of people do not understand. One is, when you're having a broadcast list, like, one secret, I'm going to share you 2 or 3 secrets. The first secret is communicate like you're talking to one person. Communicate like you're talking to one person. Don't go and say, hey guys, hello people, if you're in the team, please. People will not respond to you. Why? Because everybody likes a personal touch. And if you think it's a joke, then think about your email. When you go and see new updates from this, like, you just know it's a group message, you don't really have. But what about those emails that call your name? Someone, would you like to know the 3 secrets of, like, how do you feel? You understand? So first secret is communicate like you're speaking to one person. What would you say to this person if you were typing individual message to them, right? That's the first one. The second tip is this: don't, like, communicate, especially if you're on WhatsApp, communicate like you are speaking to, like, just make it conversational. Don't go and send a long hello, good morning, how, I noticed that you're, like, you're going to, it will also seem like, okay, wow, this is actually a broadcast message. And guess what? People don't read. They'll just open the message, glance through, and that's all. You get? So what do you want to do? Like, for me, the way I do it, again, I make it conversational. So I'm just going to say hello and good morning. Then I leave some few minutes before I now start typing the remaining. I hope you had a great night, right? So can you see? Now what I will do is, once I send this, I just hold on. Now, because this is a very small list, probably many of them have not seen it, right? So because they've not seen it, they may not respond right now. But what you want to do is, you wait. Sometimes I wait for the responses, and then I just start a conversation from this. That's, like, this is how you use a broadcast list. Do you understand? Good. Someone just responded. Can you see? So from here now, I will just continue as a normal chat. Do you get? I'm showing you guys a very powerful way of this. Now, do you think this guy will know that it's a broadcast message? Definitely no, he won't. All right, so that's it. Okay, so first tip again is communicate like you're speaking to one person, right? Second tip is don't send too many bulk stuff. Just make it conversational, and then use broadcast list to be a trigger for you to start a conversation. Don't use it on don't use it to be like something that you are just using to send messages out to people. Like that, people will not respond. Do you understand? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I keep dropping amazing videos like this and even many more. Okay, thank you so much for paying attention. I will see you on the next video.